Guys, Megan and soon today will be playing Identity Fraud for the first time in my channel here, but I already played it.
Oh, that's a monster. Scared it.
Subukan yung marunong na yung lumukit malaki na mabuti kung limunin kayo baka nga nalulunod na kayo, hindi pa kayo masaya. Pero dahil kailangan kayo, pwede na kaya
Dude.
doon na maliliit na bata, lagi nakasakay sa'yo, kinakapagod ka. Subukan mo maging 12, 13, 14 na halos ayaw kang makasabay sa school. Kaya sabi ni Pablo,
I'm scared, Mama!
ikatutuwa ko. Dahil yun ang lalong lumalapit sa akin sa Diyos at nagpapaalala ko, huwag lumayo.
Dude, this is creepy. I'm scared.
Yeah.
Dude, it's just the start of the video. I got scared.
I scared it.
What I said about I give up. I hate you.
I hate you. I will slap you, boo. You will still get kissing, yeah? Oh.
You cannot be friends with yourself if you're forever trying to be someone else. And then accept your strengths and your assets. Philippians 4:12-13. I have learned the secret of being content in any and every situation. Whether well-fed or hungry, whether living in plenty or in want, I can do everything through Him who gives me strength.
Slap
Hindi ko dito natutunan ko na. Ano man
slap
mangyari mapasalamat ko. Ano man ang mangyari makontento, at ano man ang sitwasyon hinahanap ko na yung blessing. Total, sabi niya, pagkasama ko si Kristo, wala naman ako hindi magagawa. Lahat.
Now we have players. Finally.
Siya ang aking kakampi, pag siya ang aking kasama. And Jesus is our strength. God is our asset. Na nagsabing, hindi kita iiwan kahit kailan. Why don't you accept that as part of your strength? Nakakampi mo ang Diyos.
These players.
Naanak ka ng
It's
Diyos.
the way yes.
At nangako ang Diyos na hindi ka iiwan.
This is so creepy, guys.
True. Very creepy. I got jump scared for the first time in my
Me
entire
too.
life.
A jump scare.
I didn't get jump scared the other times I played this before, but this one goes.
Do him?
Is within me. God is in my side. Is on my side. So, strength yan.
Oh, who's? Oh, good job. Okay, Elisha.
Oh, it's all your words, always Elisha, bro.
I always talking him.
Him? Her?
Her.
Even that which
I
you
always
cannot
talking her.
change. Then you've got to accept your weaknesses and liability.
Look at this. Her. It's very healthy.
2 Corinthians 12:10.
I will slap this guy.
I delight in weaknesses,
Shut up, bro, you're sus.
in insults,
Okay.
in hardships, in persecutions, in difficulties. For when I am weak, then I am strong.
The first
Sabi niya
time.
dahil kay Kristo, natutunan kong ipagpasalamat at ipagdiwa
Yes,
ang
sige.
mga kahinaan. Sapagkat kung na kay Kristo ako, yung kahinaan ko
Ada.
magiging strength dahil isusuko ko sa Kanya. Kadalasan nga po yung ating mga strength ang nagiging weakness. Dahil pag hindi sinuko sa Diyos, pagka sumigil ka ng sumigil na hindi kumukonsulta, hindi sumasangkuni, hindi nagsasabit sa Diyos, yan ang nagiging weakness
Eh!
ng ating strength. Dahil
You are faster than me.
samantala yung weakness mo na lagi mong inilalapit, yun na yan ang pupulay ng Diyos, nagiging
Alright guys, that's it for today. Like, subscribe. Bye-bye. Peace.